Hello budget DIYers. Let's just go ahead and jump into this DIY. I made out of these Dollar Tree wooden boxes a small little jewelry box for my daughter's bedroom. I painted the side walls of each box this Waverly paint that I got from Walmart. It's the mineral color. It's a light gray. I chose this color because my daughter's bedroom is pink and gray. So it's all about preference. Use whatever colors you want. I am using a chalk paint because pine has a lot of pores. It soaks up the paint. I also want to point out that I've never used these brushes before. I found them at the Dollar Tree. You can see at the end of my video. I thought they were going to work better than they actually did. I lost a lot of bristles, was constantly picking them out. I will never purchase these ones again. I went after I finished the gray on the sides, and you'll see I switched paint brushes. So the other paint brushes at the Dollar Tree were pretty decent for being a buck, but these ones were just horrible. Maybe you guys have a different experience with them. I don't know. So I painted all three sides and the back on this particular box, and I will do the same to the other, except I will not paint the top of the other box. For the drawers, I'm going to be using another Waverly chalk paint. This one I think is called Ballet Slipper. It's pink. It matches my daughter's room, so I went with that. And yeah, I switched back to a different brush. Okay, after I finish these boxes, I'm going to set them aside and let them dry. Then I move on to gluing my boxes together. I'm using wood glue only because I actually had some on hand for once in my life. Otherwise, I probably would have used the E6000 along with the hot glue so that it sets down fast and I can actually finish this project. I used the Gorilla Glue sticks that my mother suggested I use, and she gave me a couple of them to try. I don't know, they seem like they dry so super quick, unlike the Dollar Tree glue sticks. Definitely better quality and less glue strings, but man, does it dry fast. So after I glue those together, I set it aside, and then I am using this black foam piece that I had on hand because I swear I bought foam from the Dollar Tree that day that I went there, and I cannot find it anywhere. I mean, I'm sure it's probably lost in my car or something, so I just ended up using one of these foam. They also have felt fabric there if you would rather use felt. I think the foam just feels really good on your fingers when you're reaching into the jewelry box and not feeling like the wood. I don't know, it feels like a chalkboard to me. That's not something I want. I'm just pressing it in there. I am not going to bother gluing it down because it's such a snug fit and it's not going to come up. The next thing I'm going to be doing is taking these pearl stickers. They are on a glue string, so I don't have to peel them individually. I'm going to start by placing one in the corner. That way it's a good foundation where I know I want it to go. And it was a little offset, so after you cut the middle out of the heart, it's very easy to pick up the string again and replace it and just kind of move it up and rearrange them. It's not a very tough glue. It doesn't like immediately stick. If you do want it to be more sturdy, probably just put a little strip of hot glue under there and then put it on. But for now, I'm leaving it, and if it becomes a problem later, I'll just hot glue it. This color combination in pearls, I mean, it's probably not even technically shabby chic, but that's the kind of theme I'm going for her in her bedroom. It's like shabby chic, country, floral, old lady, that kind of thing. She is super excited about it though because she knows mommy is going to be buying her some jewelry for Christmas. She has her ears pierced and she's been begging me for her earrings, so I'm going to do that. But she needs somewhere to store them. After I'm done with the pearls on this box, I just did the same exact thing on the other box. That was it, an extremely super easy DIY. I think it would make a really cute Christmas present if you were to put, after the finished project, a Claire's gift card or a little piece of jewelry. I think that would be super cute. Thanks for watching. If you want to see a Dollar Tree tour, stick around. The reason I did this craft section tour is because this is the biggest Dollar Tree I have ever been to so far. It'd be amazing if I found even bigger ones. Some of these products I haven't even seen, not even on people's channel. I was super excited about it, and there are some new things I definitely was going to try out, which I will do at the end of this video. I liked everything I purchased that day, except for those stinking paintbrushes. Those paintbrushes were horrible. I probably picked off like 6 bristles. It was super annoying because I accidentally missed one, so I had to go back and pick it off of a really tacky wet paint and then repaint it. It was just frustrating. Okay guys, you see those foam blocks right there? Where are they? Are they in my car? We will find out. I still haven't tried these paints out. I just can't get myself to buy any because I have so many paints at my house right now. I think you guys should really pause the video on that zebra and take a real good look at the head. I'm not sure who designed that, but they need to go like visit a zoo. Here's some paintbrushes, and then, oh look, the metal ones that are completely horrible. All these kitty crafts. I'm definitely going to be purchasing some and putting them in my kids' Christmas stockings. Not the stand one though, because I don't feel like vacuuming that. So much glitter, so much glitter glue. I have never tried this. I'm going to give it a whirl later. See if it's pretty decent. Look how bare the stickers are. I've never seen the shelves so empty. This I got so excited about because every Dollar Tree I've been into so far does not have this section. So when I walked in here, oh yeah, I left with a few items. I got that little heart tray that I'm going to paint for my daughter. She has a play kitchen. I think she's going to love that. Yep, super, super cute. Look at that frame with the kitten in it. You don't even have to put a picture in it. It already has a cat. It saved you time, guys. Some puzzles and more kids' crafts. I thought it would be a cute idea if you painted that and gave it to an expecting mom with a baby gift card laying on top of it. The train's cute. Might put that in my son's stocking. There's that kitten again. I love that kitty. I thought these were pretty decent too. The unicorns actually look like unicorns. But you can't get a zebra right. It's basically the same thing, just stick a horn on top. I've never seen yarn either. I'll probably buy some of that because I crochet. I'll try that out. I feel like I have a Dollar Tree addiction. Every time I see a new store, I feel like I have to go in it. What if there's something new? Like these! I've never seen them. Except on other people's channel. I've never seen them in person. I'm going to go back and buy those little wicker balls. I have an idea. Lots and lots of ribbon. I could like spend 10 minutes there just seeing what the ribbons are. Okay, I've never seen these tea light roses. I almost wanted to buy one just to see what it actually looked like, but I didn't end up doing it. Okay, I'm going to test out some of these products just in case you guys are interested. First thing I'm going to do is test out this little glue eraser thingy. I've seen somebody use a hairdryer to get off of them, or Gooby Gone. It takes a lot of effort. If I can open it. Come on, hands. Come on. Okay, after I finally got it open, it feels like hard rubber or really hard wax. So I gave it a go. Definitely took some muscles. A lot of muscles. And then it wasn't taking up the paper, so I ended up scraping that off with my nails. But at the end result, even though it still had the color of the residue on there, it actually felt really nice and smooth. And so yeah, I recommend this one. I haven't tested these ones yet, but this is stuff I bought too. I always buy beads, but they never had the string. Double-sided tape, I'm going to try that. And look at these cute little clamps. I got excited about these. And then some really cute stencils with cats that I'm definitely going to be using. And some flowers that I'm going to use in my daughter's room. And underneath, look, it's the horrible paintbrushes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed even a little bit of it. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but those paintbrushes were horrible.